In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust privacy settings to make your online forms private. This straightforward process is key to ensuring that your data remains secure and accessible only to those you intend. First, let's delve into why privacy settings are essential. When creating any online form, whether it's for gathering survey responses, collecting signups, or processing feedback, managing who can access the data is critical. Setting strict privacy measures protects both the information of your respondents and your own data integrity. So, let's get started with the steps. Begin by navigating to the Settings menu of your form application. Essentially, every form platform will have a Settings section, often symbolized by a gear icon. This is your go-to place for configuring your form in alignment with your goals. Once you locate and click on this section, you'll enter a hub of options that control various aspects of the form, from notification settings to layout customizations. Our focus today is adjusting the privacy settings. Find and select the tab or subsection labeled Form Settings. Here, you'll discover various options designed to control accessibility and visibility. Pay special attention as some platforms might call this section Privacy Settings directly, while others integrate these options into general format controls. Now, within the form settings, locate the privacy configuration. Depending on the tool you're using, this can range from a simple toggle switch to a drop-down menu with multiple security levels. For now, our aim is to ensure the form is private, meaning it's restricted and only accessible to specific people or teams you authorize. Select the Private option. Setting your form to private is pivotal if you wish to restrict entry and manage confidential data. This step means that anyone without the direct link or authorization cannot access the form on their own. Essentially, this creates a secure environment where you have full control over who participates and communicates through your form. Finally, we move on to one of the most crucial steps, saving your changes. It's easy to overlook this final step, but without saving, all adjustments, including those essential privacy settings, remain unapplied. Typically, you can find the Save option either at the bottom or the top right corner of the settings page. Click on Save to ensure all your configurations are locked and effective. Congratulations! You have now successfully set your form's privacy to private, ensuring a secure, exclusive channel for your intended data collection purposes. Remember, periodically revisiting these settings to confirm everything remains as intended is good practice. This reassurance helps you maintain a consistent security posture, safeguarding your information and providing peace of mind. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing form functionality and security. Until next time, stay organized and efficient.